Hello students, today is time for English with teacher Pedro. But before we start with the topic, first, what are we going to study? Interesting. For the topic of today, we are going to learn about places. And the number of the topic is the topic 15. Where is the? And let's start with the number 1. School. And observe the picture and repeat. Where is the school? Let's repeat. Where is the school? Number 1. Number 2. Park. Observe. Where is the park? Where is the park? Let's continue with the number 3. Movie theater. Movie theater. Where is the movie theater? Let's repeat, students. Where is the movie theater? Now, let's talk about the bank. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? And following with the topic, we have the market. And let's observe and repeat. Where is the market? Let's repeat. Where is the market? Now we have something that is referred to study. Library. Where is the library? Let's repeat. Where is the library? Great. Now it's time for the next place, and the place is bus station. Let's repeat. Where is the bus station? Let's repeat. Where is the bus station? Now we have hospital. Let's repeat. Where is the hospital? One more time. Where is the hospital? Excellent. And finally, we have this place, zoo. Where is the zoo? Let's repeat. Where is the zoo? Excellent. But before we finish with the lesson of today, now please pay attention. Please don't confuse these places. Library and bookstore. Library, bookstore. Library is a collection of books in a place to read. And a bookstore is a place where people buy books. Don't confuse library bookstore. Excellent. Finally, let's study some vocabulary. And now it's time for a dictionary. Okay, students, pay attention. We have two words, place, city. Place, city. If you have time, check the meanings of these two words, place or city. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention and have a good week. See you.